Welcome to miles and miles of market. It goes forever and ever. This is the longest market I've ever seen, I think. I haven't even found the other end yet, but it's a long way away, I know that. Some food, mostly clothing and knick-knack stuff, and lots of people. More further down, there's more people. A lot going on here, that's for sure. Nice. Too much music. It's everywhere.
เขียนได้เลยหมดแล้วค่ะเต็มโควต้าแล้วค่ะขอโทษนะคะหมดแล้วค่ะจะเบื่อแม่
I smell squid. Oh, that looks good.
แซ่บแซ่บค่ะ
Look at the smells I smell.
เป็น19ฮะ
ขั้นแบบเผ็ดแบบระยำ
This place? It's not even dark yet.
จะกินอะไรนะไส้เค็มมันเย็นค่ะ30ใส่สีอะไรดีคะทั้ง15สถานียาวต่างกันโทรศัพท์เพียงเข้าเพจโซจากทหารเรือจากนั้น
That's too cute, eh?
ก็สามารถเลือกรับฟังสถานีและความถี่ที่
I was looking at the picture, I didn't even see the birds. Or the bird.
พร้อมกันนะครับนี่นะครับแบบนี้แอลกอฮอล์ครับ
Beef.
รัชดาพิซซ่าข้าวเหนียวนะคะข้าวเหนียวเป็นรูมีจะห่อใส่แล้วเนี่ย
I think I finally see the end. There's a start-stop sign down there. It's going to be a race or something. Okay. Smile. Thank you. The Thai ladies love the camera. Most of the people seem to be around the middle. That's where most of the food is as well. Might be something to do with it. This is the end. Pretty awesome place. Thousands of people here. There's no parking for miles. It is crazy. So much amazing food. Way too much music. But just insane. Friday night. Gotta love it. I got me a ice cold Coca-Cola. Something I don't have very often, but I'm gonna enjoy this one. It is hot. I've already drank 2 bottles of water tonight walking this market. Oh, that's good. It's the spot. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. I think there's more people now than before. Oh, that's good.